Hey there, happy people. This is Raven coming to you from the Confident Inspired You studio, aka my office. But I wanted to talk to you really quick today about how to achieve the perfect brows. I've been getting so many compliments lately on how my eyebrows look, and a girlfriend of mine was like, "Girl, I need you to go and do a tutorial about it." So I'm like, "Okay, I'll try." But obviously not now. They're not on now. I'm going to show you how to put them on. But if you're anything like me, you're like, I love how makeup looks on other people. But number one, I don't know how to do that. Number two, ain't nobody got time for that. So if you are interested in how to get the perfect eyebrows and at the same time do something just really simple and really quick to keep your day going, this is the tutorial for you. The first thing that I use is the eyebrow slash eyeliner brush. And this is a part of the Mary Kay Essential Brush Collection. And it's amazing. It's like 10 bucks and it does two things. So the first side is bristles, which have synthetic hairs. I mean, they're so feather soft and they help to shape my brows. And the other side, obviously, you can use as an eyeliner tool with gel or liquid eyeliner. Okay, so this is the first thing I do. So you gotta make sure that the brows are all going in the same direction, yes? Right? It's kind of like, you don't put hair gel on your hair without it being tamed. You gotta tame it first, then put the gel. That's it. Okay. So the second thing that I use, y'all, this is so amazing. It is so amazing. This is the Precision Brow Liner. This is the color in dark brunette that I use. It actually comes in black brown. It comes in blonde, brunette, dark blonde, and dark brunette. So I use dark brunette. And what I love about this is that the tip is so fine. It gives you hair by hair definition, meaning that when you put it on, you fill in your hairs. It looks like your actual hair. I kid you not. You're going to be amazed by it. You can use this by itself or you can use it with this next thing that I'm going to show you. And this is the amazing brow tint. Mary Kay brow tint. It has microscopic fibers that cling to your hairs for fuller, lush looking brows. Both of these things are life proof, meaning that you can do life with them and they're not coming off all day long. They're going to stay all day long. You can sweat, you can swim. They're not coming off. They're smudge proof and they're absolutely fabulous, dermatologist tested, because the last thing you want to do is have your brows on and start itching and then it's all over your fingers and everything. So, okay, without further ado, I'm going to show you these first three things that I use. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do it, and I'm going to start here from my bottom front, and I'm going to create a line going all the way to the back. And the general rule is that you want to stop where this hair meets the corner of your eye. So you don't want to go any further out than that. You just want to kind of keep it right there. So that's my mark. So I'm just going to gently use this feather soft, beautiful, smooth glide pencil to create a line on the bottom. And again, I do not have to really create the line because it's there. Okay, so do you see what I did there? Don't be afraid. I'm not leaving it like this. And I'm simply going to do the same thing on the top. So do you see kind of where my eyebrow starts up here? I am going to simply create a line from the front going all the way to the back. You see that? Now that does look a little bit weird. So if I'm using this pencil by itself, all I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the hairs. For a flawless look. See there? And I'll just do the other side, but do you see how amazing that is? That is fabulous. Let me do the other side. So I did the bottom. See there? and I'm going to do the top. Bottom first, top last. See that? And I'm just going to fill in the hairs. There you go. Now if I want them to look thicker, obviously I can use this brow tint. And what I like to do is make sure all of the excess is removed before I put any on, because it is very thick. You do not want to look like Eddie Munster. So make sure you're removing all the excess, as much excess as possible. Remember, with Mary Kay products, less is more. A little goes a very long way. I'm just going to use this brush. The bristles are very precise, so they'll hug my lashes. And I'm going to just brush in the direction of my lashes, just as they are. That's it. You see how that added more volume? And I'll do the same thing to this one. Wow, do you see how that made it fuller? Now, the other thing that you can do, obviously, if you want to clean it up a little bit, is use some concealer. And I actually use either the light bronze concealer, or I use the under eye corrector, which works amazingly. And I just kind of clean it up. Clean it up where it needs some cleaning up. And it looks even more natural. There you go. Voila. You can do that, can't you? Of course you can. Absolutely you can. Yes.